Kitchen mold is a common issue due to the high moisture levels in this area. It typically thrives in damp and warm environments, such as under the sink, around appliances, or in walls and ceilings where condensation forms. Mold can have various implications. Firstly, it can damage the surfaces it grows on, leading to costly repairs or replacements. Secondly, it can cause unpleasant odors that make your kitchen less inviting. Most importantly, mold can have severe health implications. Exposure to mold spores can lead to allergic reactions, respiratory issues, and other health problems. Preventing and addressing mold promptly is crucial. Regular cleaning, proper ventilation, and prompt repair of leaks can help prevent mold growth. If mold has already appeared, you may need professional help to eliminate it. Contact Mold Busters for professional help and book a free virtual inspection at bustmold.com or through our app.